Hello everyone, this is Shirley from WTI. I personally looking for things when it comes to summer. And let's talk about this fan from Dreo. This Dreo fan can cool down an entire room. As summer is coming or already been felt, this fan is very convenient. If you don't want to have a big one, you can use this and place it in your office, bedroom, or living room. You can control the speeds and it's touch sensitive. If you don't want to get up to turn it on, it comes with its own remote control that you can adjust to your liking. It's portable, so you can take it with you wherever you go. Since I'm in school, I do my homework at my desk and need a fan to stay cool and focused. And this Dreo fan is my solution because I can either keep it stationary or make it rotate. And that's my point of view.